Here's how I created this very dramatic, graphic, smoky eye on Yana. I'm starting by evening out her skin tone with a lightweight, glowy foundation. Then I'll mix my color fluids in Carve and Thorn for a custom bronze contour. And with concealer, I'm going to brighten up underneath the eyes and the center of the face, blending it in. Then taking my color fluid in Heartist and using this as blush to warm up the face. And applying a light eyeshadow base all over the eyes. With my eye tone pencil in Intra, I'm sketching out the graphic shape that I want. I love working with a super creamy pencil to sketch out the eye look. Then I'll set the eyes with my Beautopsy gradient palette and go in with a black shade to intensify the shape that I created, blending the edges. Taking my hairline eyeliner close to the lash line and then applying a concrete gray on the lower lash line, setting the face and using my eye tone pencil again as a lip liner. This deep, warm chocolate blends like a dream. And creating a custom mix of Carve and Heartist for a neutral rose nude lip, applied on the center and buffed in. Such a beautiful color. And going over that with a neutral nude gloss. And that completes my dramatic graphic eye on Yana. Perfect to end the year with a little drama and full glam.